tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for all the photography lovers out there. Imagine being able to print your favorite memories instantly, anywhere, and with incredible quality. That's exactly what the Canon CP1500 compact photo printer promises, and I'm excited to dive into its features and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design of the Canon CP1500. This printer boasts a sleek and modern look that's not just visually appealing, but also incredibly user-friendly. The powerful features such as Wi-Fi and smartphone connectivity are seamlessly integrated, making it easy to use even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The compact design means it won't take up too much space, whether you're using it at home, in the office, or on the go. But what really sets it apart is how effortlessly it combines style with functionality, making it a perfect addition to any setting. One of the standout features of the Canon CP1500 is its portability. This printer is designed to be taken with you wherever you go. With a small footprint and the option for a battery pack, you can literally print and share your memories from anywhere. Imagine being at a family gathering, a party, or even on a camping trip, and being able to instantly print out photos to share with your loved ones. The portability of the Canon CP1500 opens up a world of possibilities for capturing and sharing moments in real time, making it a must-have for any photography enthusiast. The durability of the prints from the Canon CP1500 is another aspect that's truly impressive. Not only do the photos look great when they come out, but they're also instantly dry and water-resistant. This means you don't have to worry about handling them carefully or waiting for them to dry. But what's even more astounding is the longevity of these prints. They can last for up to 100 years. That's a century of enjoying your cherished memories without worrying about them fading or deteriorating. This level of durability ensures that the moments you capture and print will remain vibrant and intact for generations to come. The flexibility of the Canon CP1500 in terms of connectivity is also worth highlighting. With Wi-Fi, USB, and memory card connections, you can print from a wide range of devices, including your smartphone, computer, camera, memory cards, and even USB flash drives. This versatility means you're not limited to printing from just one source, giving you the freedom to access and print your photos from wherever they're stored. Whether you're using an Android device, an iPhone, or a computer, connecting to the Canon CP1500 is straightforward and hassle-free, making it a very convenient option for printing your photos. Lastly, the large 3.5-inch display on the Canon CP1500 is a fantastic feature that allows you to view, edit, and add filter effects to your images before printing. You can choose from options like sepia or black and white to give your photos a unique touch. This display makes the printing process more engaging, as you can preview and adjust your photos directly on the printer, ensuring that you get the exact output you want. It's a small feature that makes a big difference in the overall user experience, adding a creative element to the process of printing your memories. In conclusion, the Canon CP1500 compact photo printer is an incredible device that packs a punch with its sleek design, portability, durability, flexibility, and interactive display. Whether you're a professional photographer, a hobbyist, or just someone who loves capturing and sharing memories, this printer is definitely worth considering. It's not just a device, it's a way to bring your photos to life, to share them, and to cherish them for years to come. So, if you're looking for a high-quality, compact photo printer that can keep up with your active lifestyle, look no further. Find the link in the description below to get your Canon CP1500 today and start printing your memories in stunning quality, anywhere, anytime.